Welcome back to my channel. Here I'll be showing you how you can construct an internal tangent to two unequal circles, how to construct an internal tangent to two unequal circles, and the diameter of the circles that I'll be using here, the big one is 50 millimeters and the small one is 30 millimeters, and the center distance is 80 millimeters. So let's see how this can be done. So the first thing to do is for us to draw a horizontal line, so of length 80 millimeters. So this is the first point and this is the second point, 80 millimeters. So I will draw a horizontal line. Okay, so here we have, this is point A or center A of the big circle, and this is center B of the small circle. So the next thing I'm going to do is to construct the circles. So I take a measurement of 25 millimeters, which is half of 50 for the big circle. So I place the pinpoint of the compass at A and I will draw the circle. So the big circle like this. Okay, so I will also take a measurement of 15 millimeters, which is half of 30 for the small circle. So I put the pinpoint at center B and I will draw a circle. Okay, so we have drawn the circles. So the next thing we are going to do here is that I will bisect distance AB. So put the pinpoint of my compass at A. I will draw an arc up here and down here. So the same radius at center B. So I draw an arc up and down. So I'm going to draw the point of intersection of the arcs together. Join the point of intersection of the arcs together to get the midpoint of line AB. So this is it. Alright, so the point of intersection of line AB and this bisector, I will call it point X here. Okay, so next is that I'm going to construct a semicircle. So I put the point of my compass at X here, extend to B, extend to center B, then I will draw a semicircle. Okay, so this is semicircle. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that so I'm going to label this point. So this is point C here and this is point D. Okay, so that's point D. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I will take the radius BC, which is the radius of the small circle. So I'll take it here, then I will lift it up and put the pinpoint at point D here. Then I will make an arc. Okay, so it touches it at this point, so don't worry. So your own may not be there or it may be longer than that, so you are correct. So this is point E. So next thing I'm going to do is to place the point of my compass at A here, then I will extend it to point E, then I will draw an arc. So this arc, so it touches the semicircle at this point. This is point F here. So next thing I'm going to do is to draw a straight line from A passing through F. So draw a line from A passing through point F. So it goes like this. Alright, so wherever the line, so this line, wherever it touches the circle, so which is this point, so this is point G. So and then it's also the point of tangency. So put capital letter T there. So next is that I will take my set square. So set it on line AG. So I set it on line AG like this. Then I will shift the semicircle. Sorry. So I'll shift the semicircle to the center B here. Okay, then I will draw a line like this. So wherever the line touch the small circle, so this is point H and also the point of tangency of the circle. So next thing I'm going to do is to connect so point G and H together with a straight line, and that straight line is an internal tangent to two unequal circles. So this is it. So this is how to construct an internal tangent to two unequal circles. As simple as I've shown it here, all you need to do is to practice. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Keep on practicing.